Beneath the continents, beneath the oceans, and far below the ground we walk on every day, our planet hides enormous spaces, vast chambers, rivers that never see sunlight, entire worlds sealed beneath kilometers of rock. Most people imagine Earth as solid stone, but in reality, parts of our planet are hollowed, fractured, and still largely unexplored. And some of what lies down there, we've only just begun to understand. In this video, we will talk about 3 places that behave weird at the Earth's surface. Earth's surface is the part we know: mountains, forests, oceans, cities. But beneath that thin outer layer lies a complex and mysterious interior. A planet carved by pressure, heat, and time. Scientists estimate that humans have explored only a tiny fraction of the underground world. Many caves remain undiscovered. Some subterranean ecosystems exist completely isolated from sunlight. And in certain places, the ground opens into spaces so vast they almost feel impossible. Tonight on Hidden Earth TV, we look at 3 places where the planet reveals something hidden beneath its surface. Places that remind us the world below our feet is far from empty. Deep in the jungles of central Vietnam lies what many geologists consider the largest cave on Earth. Son Doong Cave. For centuries, it remained hidden. Local villagers knew of a roaring wind coming from the mountains, but no one had mapped what lay beyond the entrance. It wasn't until 2009 that explorers from the British Cave Research Association entered and surveyed the cave system. What they found was astonishing. Son Doong is not just a cave, it is a massive underground world. Some sections are over 200 meters high and nearly 150 meters wide, large enough to fit an entire city block. Inside are underground rivers, towering stalagmites, and collapsed ceilings where sunlight pours into the darkness. In those openings, something unusual has happened. Entire jungles have formed inside the cave. Trees grow toward the light, clouds of mist drift through enormous chambers, and isolated ecosystems have developed, including species found nowhere else. The cave formed roughly 2 to 5 million years ago, as river water slowly dissolved the limestone beneath the mountains. Over time, the ceiling collapsed in places, revealing the hidden chamber below. Even today, only a limited number of expeditions enter each year. Because despite its size, much of the cave system remains unmapped, which means that somewhere beneath the forests of Vietnam, this underground world may still be expanding into darkness. And Son Doong is only one example of how large the hidden spaces beneath Earth can become. Not all hidden worlds beneath Earth are caves. Some exist far deeper. In 2014, scientists studying seismic waves discovered evidence of something unexpected roughly 700 kilometers beneath Earth's surface, a massive reservoir of water. But this is not an ocean like those on the surface. The water is locked inside a mineral called ringwoodite, a crystal structure that forms under extreme pressure within the mantle. When seismic waves passed through this region, researchers noticed unusual patterns. Further study revealed that ringwoodite can store water inside its molecular structure, and there appears to be an enormous amount of it. Some estimates suggest that the total volume of water trapped within mantle minerals could rival or even exceed the amount of water in Earth's surface oceans. But it's not liquid in the traditional sense. It exists as hydrogen and oxygen molecules bound within rock under immense pressure and heat. This discovery changed how scientists think about Earth's water cycle. Instead of water only moving between ocean's atmosphere and crust, there may be a deep planetary reservoir slowly exchanging water with the surface over millions of years. In other words, part of Earth's ocean system may exist hundreds of kilometers below our feet, invisible, inaccessible, and only detectable through the vibrations of earthquakes traveling through the planet, a reminder that even far below the crust, Earth still holds secrets. Near the Black Sea coast in Romania lies a cave that remained sealed off from the outside world for millions of years. It is called Movil Cave. Discovered accidentally in 1986 during construction work, the cave immediately puzzled scientists. Because the air inside was toxic, oxygen levels were extremely low, carbon dioxide was high, and the atmosphere contained hydrogen sulfide, a gas normally lethal to most life. Yet when researchers entered the cave, they discovered something remarkable. An entire ecosystem thriving in total darkness. More than 50 species of organisms live inside Movil Cave. Many of them exist nowhere else on Earth. Spiders, scorpions, centipedes, tiny crustaceans, most are completely pale and blind. But the strangest part is how the ecosystem survives. Unlike most life on Earth, which depends on sunlight through photosynthesis, the food chain in Movil Cave is built on chemosynthesis. Bacteria feed on sulfur and methane rising from underground waters. Those bacteria form microbial mats. Small invertebrates feed on the bacteria. Predators feed on those invertebrates. A complete ecosystem, powered not by the sun, but by chemistry inside the Earth itself. Scientists believe the cave has been sealed for around 5.5 million years, which means life inside evolved entirely separate from the outside world, a biological time capsule, and a powerful reminder that life can survive in environments once thought impossible, including, perhaps, far beyond Earth. What connects these places is not just that they lie underground, it's that they challenge our understanding of the planet we live on. Sondung shows that Earth can hide enormous landscapes beneath its surface. The mantle water reservoir suggests that the planet's oceans may extend far deeper than we once believed. And Movil Cave proves that life can thrive in darkness without sunlight for millions of years. Together, they reveal something simple but profound. We know the surface of Earth relatively well, but below it, the map quickly fades. New caves are discovered every year. New underground ecosystems continue to surprise biologists. And the deep interior of the planet remains mostly unreachable. In many ways, Earth's underground may be one of the last unexplored frontiers on our own world. Somewhere beneath mountains, beneath deserts, and beneath the ocean floor, there are likely vast spaces we have never seen. Caves still sealed, ecosystems still hidden, geological processes still unfolding in darkness. The deeper we explore, the more we realize how little we truly know. And perhaps the greatest mysteries of Earth are not in the sky above us, but in the ground below our feet, waiting to be discovered. Hidden Earth TV explores the parts of our planet that remain untouched, unreachable, and unseen. If you want to discover more places where humanity does not belong, subscribe to Hidden Earth TV